Hey folks, Machinery Pete here. It's Saturday, September 28th, 2013. I'm down near Hubbard, Iowa, central part of the state, for a small farm retirement auction today by Brinkmeyer Family Auction. Really nice low-hour one-owner stuff here today. We got a 2366 combine. Smaller combines have been pretty hot the last few years. And a couple low-hour tractors, an 8940 front-wheel assist and a two-wheel drive CaseIH 8920.
Whole bunch of heavy drawbar pins right there.
This one I got.
Right on in. I would find out.
Right here, gentlemen. Richard, anything to say on this one? Same deal. Just more horsepower. You got front wheel. You got the weights, duals. They're not stripping it down. It's clean as can be. Gentlemen, where are you going to start this tractor at? Let's have 75 and go. I want 75 and 75 and go. 75 and 75,000 anywhere. I want 75 and 75 and go. 75 and 75,000 anywhere. I want 75 and 75 and go. 75 and 75 and go. 1,000 now 70, 70, 65,000, 70, 70, 70,000 bid now 70. I got 70,000 now 75,000. And let's go 76,000. 75 and 6 and 6 and 75,000 and 6 and 6 and 75,000 and 6. 75,000 and 6 and 6 and 75,000 and 6 and 6 and 76,000 now 77. 77,000 and 8 and 8 and 78,000 and 9. 79,000 now 80. 79,000 and 80 and 80 and 79,000 and 80,000 bid now 81. 81,000 and 2 and 2 and 82,000 and 3 and 3 and 83,000 and 4. 84,000 and 5 and 5 and 85,000 and 6. 86,000 and 7 and 7 and 85, hang in there. 86,000 and 7 and 7 and 86,000 and 7. 86,000 and 7 and 7 and 86,000 and 7 and 7. Would you go? 7 would you go? 87,000 anywhere, gentlemen. I'm bid 86,000. Now 87,000. 86,000 and 7 and 7 and 86,000 and 7 and 7 and 86,000 and 7. 87,000 now 88. 87,000 and 8 and 8 and 87,000 and 8 and 8 and 87,000 now 88. 87,000 and 87,000 now 88 and 8 and 87,000 now 88. Would you go 88 anywhere? 87,000 now 88 and 8 and would you go 8? Would you go 88 anywhere? One last time, 88. You're gonna look a long time before you find another one like that, and you know it. 87,000. You go 88. 88. 88,000 anywhere? Sergeant Tractor. $87,000. Number 108. Thank you very much. The book.